Good morning po sir. Good morning everyone. In this video po is pag-uusapan po is I'll talk about how new materials like silicon carbide or SiC and gallium nitride GaN GaN are changing technologies in big ways. These new semiconductors are helping to make computers, electrical cars, and automated machine faster, more efficient, and more powerful. I'll also explain why this matters for the future and for people studying to become engineers po. First po, how can the new semiconductor affect the development of more sophisticated computers? New semiconductor like silicon carbide SiC or gallium nitride GaN or GaN handle more power, heat, and higher speed than traditional silicon chips. This means that computers built with these materials can run faster and perform well or more complex tasks without overheating or slowing down. This advancement allow designers to create smaller, more powerful devices that are highly efficient, pushing forward innovation in fields like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and data processing po. Number 2 po, what is the impact of the new technology on electric vehicles, EVs, and automation? Silicon carbide technology allows EVs to use smaller, lighter, and more efficient parts such as inverters, which change the battery's DC power into AC power. The motor needs by enabling EVs to operate at higher voltage and manage heat better. SiC improves both battery life and overall vehicle range, which is critical for the EV market growth po. Additionally, in automation, this technology allows for quicker, more energy efficient machines that can handle continuous use in the harsh condition without frequent breakdowns, making manufacturing more cost effective. 3 po, what is the advantage of the new semiconductor compared to the traditional one? Silicon carbide has a wide band gap, meaning it can handle much higher temperature and voltages than regular silicon, making it ideal for application that demand high power. This advantage allows SiC-based chips to remain stable under stress, reducing the need for extensive cooling system and enabling devices to be more compact and lightweight. Because of these strengths, SiC chips are also longer lasting and can perform in conditions that would damage the traditional silicon semiconductors. 4. What is the future of computer engineers in relation to the new semiconductor technology? Computer engineers have a huge opportunity with this new semiconductor, as they'll need to design new systems that fully leverage SiC and GaN unique properties. This includes optimizing power systems, creating innovative cooling solution, and adapting existing architectures to handle the increased power and speed capabilities. Engineers skilled in this area will be critical in developing the next generation of energy efficient technologies, particularly in EBS, renewable energy, and advanced computing, where SiC and GaN are set to become industry standard. Yun nga rin po, sinabi rin po sa video na every 2 years po is dumadami po yung parts po nun, or mas lumalawak po ng million or billion po. Conclusion, in short po is silicon carbide and gallium nitride are making exciting changes, or yun po, mas malaki po yung pagbabago in technology. They'll help create stronger and more efficient devices and open up new possibilities for engineering. As this material become more common, they'll likely lead to even bigger advancement in many industries. Yun po, sinabi po na kitang-kita naman po sa technology is yung dati po is mababagal, and habang tumatagal po is mas lumalawak po ang technology dahil po sa mga bilis po ng semiconductor. Yun po. Yun lang po. Thank you po, sir.